The official has to get in between. They go right back to it. And we are underway as Alamont dumped to the ice by Paddington, and now Alamont wrestling Paddington to the ice. And both of them are going to go to the box here. Alamont's chucking on Paddington. Oh, that's a really tough one there. That's a tough one. Because both guys were going at it in the face-off circle. But again, the ref wants to get control of the game early. You got to run out of play. Face-off back out to set. Official stands them up. The Bobcats will be without Camden Alamont for another 5 or so minutes. As Poirier lifts the stick, but lets it roll to the line. Coleman intercepts, skates forward with speed, strides into the zone. Good poke check by Patch Cronin. And again, stops the rush at the line. Puck rolls the other way. Here's Cronin. Had a goal last night. Walks in. Backhands it toward the middle. Nobody home there for the Cats. At the half wall, Williams hacks one. Finds its way to Coleman. Big hit laid by Poirier on Mikey Coleman. Cronin drops back. Patilla. Bobcats slowing things down. Good pass into the middle. Now Kressel into the offensive zone. Cross ice feed. Poirier. Saucer pass. Intercepted again, this time by Trace Day. Day will skate one to the red line, dump it in as the rest of his line mates go for a change. Ravenig stops on a dime, pops it to the left wing. Williams off the wall. Now Fonda Bros skates into the zone and dumps it in. Williams, little reverse check there on Klein, lets the puck roll up the wall. Couple to locate. Great out. DeVita and Lipset. Step into the right wing circle. One back by the Bruins. Williams slips, but able to find Gus Elbert, one of the alternate captains. Get it out to center. Bobcats regroup. Lepai gives chase. Works down the wall. Centering pass hacked at by Rakowski. Getting in front of that one was Elbert once again. Coleman looking for support. Forced to dump. Now partially blocked. Lepai dumps it in from center the other way. Solomon steers it behind his net for Austin Doyle, the Odessa, Texas native. Father played for the Odessa Jackalopes in the pro days. Returns it. Bismarck bench calling for the representative from the Bruins to be tossed. Cronin wrists one wide. Patted behind the net by Solomon. Perreault grabs at the puck. Yunson delivers a check to him. Bruins unable to clear once again in the deep spot. What a move. Poirier feeds Yunson. Stick tied up. Big save. Solomon with the pad. Yunson still able to have a strong stick right there and get a shot away. Here's Austin Doyle feeding the right side. Coleman dumped in. Camden Alamont has another about minute and some change. It'll be the first whistle after 9:51. They'll be released from the box. Bobcats turn it over in the defensive zone. Klein back at the point. Good job Poirier getting inside position there. They'll work it out to center. Calls for a change. Hops off as Charlie Kressel will step on. A couple of Colorado boys there. As Kressel feeds Patch Cronin. Off the glass and out. Race for icing is on, but the puck will bounce on its axis. Lang watched by Williams. Lang tries to go up the wall. Partially blocked. Williams spins onto the line and splits the defenders and forces the Bobcats back down. Cruza. Outlets forward. Kressel into the middle. That'll kick to the stick from Evans. Unable to set. Offside. Game misconduct as well. He's thrown out. An unsportsmanlike minor penalty on Charlie Kressel being served by Holden Gallagher, and then a 10-minute unsportsmanlike conduct penalty on Charlie Kressel. A 2-minute minor for roughing on Noah Ziski, and 2-minute minor for roughing on Jimmy Dodick. Now we're caught up. Here's Revenik through the middle of the ice. Gets sandwiched between two Austin Bruins, and it's worked the other way. Eddie Revenik slow to his feet there, asking for a change, and now trying to buy a call there was Austin Doyle. Puck worked to the line and held in. Revenik in a little bit of distress here. Doyle to the corner. Revenik tries to lay a hit and does. Puck is worked free. Paddington. Revenik unable to clear. Worked back to the corner. 25 seconds of 4-on-4 time. The Bobcats, thought they cleared it, but the pass from the line went all the way down. A little miscommunication there between the Bruins. The Bruins defender evaded the line there. Cooper Williams in pursuit. Haruza trying to just test communication there. Now the Bruins are back to full strength. We're back to 5-on-5 hockey. Coleman gets a step. Poirier inside position, tying up a stick shot. They score. It's Mikey Coleman finding the back of the net. Coleman unassisted. Give it a couple seconds. And the Bobcats win the opening draw once again. Lepai, Dumpins combined. Bobcats might have an opportunity here, but Jonsson unable to deflect it forward. Austin Doyle had a goal last night. Is behind the net to Lang. Now outlets forward. Mikey Coleman, a lot of space up the left wing. Krusa watches him. Wrist shot off the blocker of Bilic. Coleman will get his own rebound. Puck deflects to the corner. Krusa circles the net. Tries to backhand one forward. Passes offline once again. Perreault takes a hit from Bros. And now we've got a penalty upcoming here on the Bruins. And now we'll have a big shout out there to Fonda Bros. Alex Perreault, 5 minutes for fighting. Fonda Bros, 5 minutes for fighting. Xander Lipset, 2 minutes, don't have that penalty yet. Albert from behind his own, back to full strength. Simon Marsh. Fonda in the box, Alex Perreault in the box for the Austin Bruins. Serving misconducts and all that good stuff. So we're underway. The Bobcats win the draw. Alamont dumps it in. Oh, a couple extra shoves between Albert and Alamont. Revenig holds the zone. Poked free. Here's E.J. Paddington streaking forward, but Alamont is back for the Cats. Krusa at his own blue line. Flips forward. Glove down. Paddington at center. He's knocked down to the ice by Alamont. Coleman. Poke checked free. Williams frees the puck. Slapped back. And Krusa's got it. Back at his own goal line. He'll go off the glass and out. Goes off of an Austin skate. They'll take possession through center. Simon Marshnock. Up the right side. Aruza with space. Right wing circle. Cuts to the middle. And that one stepped by Bilic. Alamont got a stick lifted. 7 to go in the second. The Austin Bruins will use this opportunity to get the line they want out there. It's Paddington, Lipset, and Coleman. Bobcats control off the draw. Coleman works it free between a couple of skates. Bouncing puck into the middle. Off the skate of Patilla. Paddington, sharp angle save. Puck is still loose. Rakowski skates one out. Coleman takes a stick up high. No call forthcoming. Rakowski off the wall. Lepai catches up to it in the corner. Bobcats get a much-needed change, but Lepai pays the price, taking a big hit right there at the end. Paddington up ahead, 2-on-2. Feeds Coleman. Toe drag shot, and Bilic snares that out of midair. Setting the North American Hockey League record for a point streak. He's on 19, looks to make it 20. Wins it back. Haruza in the middle. Wrist shot over the crossbar. Bounce and Ubered here to the VFW Sports Center. Sticks down, pucks down. We're back underway. Jonsson trying to peel it free and work it to Cronin instead. E.J. Paddington, the shootout game winner scorer, has other plans. He's got it back in the corner. Round the boards. Nathan Williams gets a burst of speed. Skates up ahead to the red line and dumps it in. Now the Bobcats are going to get a penalty here. Holden Gallagher going to get called. And Gus Elbert, 2 minutes for roughing. Those are the calls. So it is a major power play for the Bruins, already up 1-0. As Matsi Marshinock works it free. Down Haruza in the base of the right wing circle. Paddington spins one. Simon now out to the line for Williams. Simon Marshinock down low. Bilic is able to stop that one. And then Perreault and Albert in the box for the oh man. Bobcats win the draw. Cronin goes off the glass nearly up into my face, but it hit high off the glass and not me, so that's great. Solomon steers it behind the net. 40 seconds gone on the major. As the captain, Nathan Williams, the drop pass Simon, right side. Matsby kick to the stick into the zone. Matsby, Simon, breakaway, walks, backhand shot. There it is! He's got the North American Hockey League record. Simon Marshinock. A 2-0 hockey game. 14:45 to go in the second period. Face off one. As Flood gets free, will step into the circle. And this could get, when I say out of hand in terms of the score, it could get out of hand in that sense really quick with this Austin power play. They sit fourth in the NAHL with a 27% proficiency. Bobcats here able to work it at center. Taken away, 2-on-1. Paddington with Aruza. Paddington waits, backdoor out in front. Bilic keeps it out as he hangs on to that one. Charlie Kressel up against Simon Marshnock in the faceoff dot. One back by the Bruins. Paddington unable to work it free. Ziski's on the puck. Aruza watches him, circles, and turns one all the way off the boards and down. Ziski and Dodig will come off. Cronin and Revenig will come on. Nathan Williams gallops forward. As looks for a penalty there. Not going to get one. Kick to the stick. Simon Marshnock out in front. Matsby scores. That's a beautiful goal there. His 19th of the season, assisted by his brother Simon. And E.J. Paddington on the secondary. Bobcats control. That one up high, it bounces. Trace Day on the puck. 12:45 to go in the second. 2 minutes to go on the penalty kill. Matsby to the right side. Coleman across. Bounces to the Bobcats. Dodig tries to kill some time. Feeds Ziski. And that is down out to the Austin blue line. Nathan Williams forced back. Goes for a skate in the defensive zone. Austin with 2 power play goals here on the major. It's their 5th power play now, as each time another one, Simon to Matsby, just unable to corral. Same exact play, and Matsby had an open net as well. Rakowski dumps it down, but again, each time the Bruins score it, it racks up another power play opportunity because you're still on it. So they started at 0 for 2, went to 1 for 3, then 2 for 4. Now they're on their 5th. Matsby Marshnock around, centering pass. Poirier read that one. Aruza back up high. Williams across. Matsby back to Nathan Williams. Now to Simon. Pass misses, but Bruins still control. A minute to go on the penalty. Simon tries to go across, blocked by Evans. Bruins get it right back. Simon Marshnock, Nathan Williams, wrist shot through traffic. Blocked by his own man. Cronin unable to clear it. Hits Simon Marshnock. Aruza, mini 2-on-1. Centering pass. Sent to the line, but not out. Here's Klein. To the left side, Simon. For Klein. Again, Bruins is playing keep away here and working the puck around. Simon walks, waits, fires. Just wide of the net. Didn't miss by much. Williams sends one forward. Aruza in the circle. As Paddington to the front of the net. And Bilic is able to fight that off. It's Klein to Williams. One-time shot looking for the deflection. Whistled wide. Simon tries to go across to Klein. Now out to the line, Williams. Waits, fires, deflected. Save Bilic again. 10 seconds to go on the penalty. Simon waits across. Klein, Williams, wide of the net. Puck bounces off the wall to Simon Marshnock. The Bobcats are gassed here. Klein in the middle. Aruza walks, fires, save Bilic. Evans behind the net. Now the Bruins are going to have a penalty here. So now, can the Bobcats get one back midway through the game? Welcome back inside the VFW Sports Center. We're underway on the Skills Electric Power Play. The Bobcats desperately non-4 whistle. Good play there by Noah Ziski. Things obviously have been a little bit difficult tonight circumstantially for the Bobcats. Had to dig deep in the dictionary for that one. Icing going to be waved off here on the Bruins. Wrist shot by Coleman. Whistles wide, and Williams able to hack it back out to center. That one blocked by Nathan Williams and flipped right back in. Bilic thought he steered that one good. Reverse hit there by the Bruins. It's Austin Doyle wristing one, and he scores. Austin Doyle, his second. Little to nothing going for him right now. Poirier wins the face-off back. Still 27. Officials are going to come together here. Playing 4-on-4 still. But, oh, man. Okay. Well, puck played around the boards. E.J. Paddington drops it behind the net, and Poirier lays his man to the ice. Beautiful hit there, as he's going to get a receipt there from Lipset. Lipset's not a small man, and now it's a breakaway here for Gus Elbert. He's in, scores. So they put now Perreault, stretch pass. Marshanock gets the deflection at center. Jamie Dodig around the wall. Ziski now to Jonsson. Pass into the middle. Rakowski trying to shield it on the back end. Flips it forward. Here's Van der Bros. A little burst of speed. Ellison shields him off to the corner. Bobcats have to go back to the bench for a change. Jonsson on the forward check. Puck rolls on Solomon. And he didn't take a whistle there. He let the puck roll behind him. Might not have just gotten enough on it. Nonetheless, Nolan Davis takes control. Kressel unable to hold the zone. Puck sent down the length of the ice. And it'll die short of the goal line. No icing here. Good strong turn by Cronin. Backhand pass across. In the skates of Lepai. Sent the other way. Williams beats Kressel into the zone. Right side patch once again. Turnaround shot. Solomon gets it in the chest. And he's going to hang on for. And Williams with Krusa and Revenik. So Krusa, high sticking is the call. Stepping in against George Poirier. Dodig behind the net. Around the boards, held in. Matsby Marshanock dispossessed. Bobcats working forward short-handed. Poirier drop pass and offside of the Cats. Poirier was just a little bit too early. Marshanock and Poirier meet in the middle. And Simon Marshanock gets the better. Less than a minute remaining in the second period. Haruza with a drop pass for Nathan Williams. Up ahead. Feeds it back. Matsby. Paddington on the right side waiting for the puck. Matsby will drop it to his brother Simon in the zone. Goes in directly off the wall. Burst of speed to the corner. Around the board. Simon Marshanock out to the line. Williams. Right side, Matsby walks down low. Paddington tries to stuff it home. Still loose. Haruza shot. They score. It's a shot from face-off circle at center ice. Patil post, and Austin will hop on it and fire it down. That's going to do for the Bobcat power play the fall. It's 0 for 4. Hear the thud of the stick from Dane Calloway slapping the ice, resulting in Austin being freed from the penalty box. Revenig's pass, nearly intercepted. Good move, Evans. Here he comes up the left wing. Mark Evans cuts into the middle looking forward to Vida. And it rolls to Lipset, who fires one off the boards and out. Coleman able to work that one off his shin pad. Tries to make a pass into the middle. Evans is there alertly. Flips on forward. And Ziski clears Paddington out of his own bench. Ziski off the wall. Missed. Icing again on the Cats. 7 who's normally on the line with the Marshanoks. Able to win that face-off back. Stukel. Flood entered in before Day touched. 6-1 hockey game here at the VFW. Puck sent into the Bismarck zone. Cooper Williams sauces one in the middle, takes a deflection. Krusa unable to cleanly hold it in as he turned it over to Coleman. Puck up the right side. Lipset takes the hit. Puck knocked free for Krusa. Right side, Mark Evans. Trying to work one to the corner, taking away Elbert. Good job of shielding Evans off the puck there. He'll win the puck as well and force it to E.J. Paddington before going off for a change. Charlie Kressel back behind his own net, looking to stretch the ice. Feeds Eddie Revenik. Into the middle, out of the reach of Williams, and that's an icing call on the Cats. Off in the defensive zone on the comfort zone, heating and air icing call. Wrist shot, soaked up and held by Callaway, makes it on its axis. He's going to try to work around Davis, but a good stand-up play there from Nolan Davis, former Lone Star Brahma, to stop Vesey at that blue line. Here's Day, gets taken down. That's going to be a penalty here on the Bobcats. Pretty easy tripping call there as Rakowski lays a hit. Now Day delivers a shove there, and now Trace Day is a cross check to Ben Rakowski right in the of the Bismarck zone. And you know what? I have to bring this up because I got to laugh. Gianni DeVita steps in up against Mikey Coleman in circle. DeVita clean win. Dodig walks and fires. Paddington got in the way of that one. Dodig to the right side. DeVita. So Trace Day, a 5-minute major for cross-checking, game misconduct. We're up to 147 penalty minutes in tonight's contest. 63 on the Bruins, 84 on the Cats. Puck worked out to center. It's a breakaway for Coleman. And backhander, stopped by Callaway. Good recovery there from Patch Cronin. Dodig trying to work one forward. Flips it in, and he was short of the red line. And he beats the icing call. So that's good hustle there from Jimmy. Perreault knocks Dodig down to the ice. They wrestle a little bit. Now Bros with the puck on the right side. Tries to work around Williams. Feeds his man, but taken away by the Bruins. Played forward. Sauced up ahead. And Lipset going to win this icing race as Callaway plays it around to the far side. Fonda Bros up ahead into the offensive zone. Taken down on the play. Penalty forthcoming here on the Bruins. 4-on-3 hockey upcoming. 9. That's how many penalty minutes we're at. I mean, it's crazy. 4-on-3 power play for the Cats. Face off one back by the Cats. And you know what? Callaway's at the top of his crease. Why not? Callaway to the bench. Extra attackers on. It's a 6-on-5. Bobcats pulling the goalie. I mean, at this point, you might as well, right? Last 2 goals, you have momentum. Jonsson, Revenik, Ziski, Jonsson, shot, deflected just wide. Perreault clears, and this will be icing here on the Bruins. Poirier gets tossed. Kressel comes in. Face off tied up. Austin wins it behind the net. Evans works it free. Now it's tied up again. Time not on the side of the Cats. Perreault flips it. Held in. Patillo, what a move. And now a stick fails Mark Evans here. He's without a twig. Patilla down low. Pass the flex. Kressel in the middle looking for Bros. Out of his reach. Sent toward the empty net. Knocked down with a high stick. Bobcats got to touch it up here. Asav comes back into the D zone. Callaway will have to come back into his crease. DeVita taking it up against Gavin Haruza. Gus Elbert are the Bobcats. Again, 6 attackers on the ice for the Cats. 2 minutes to play. And the Bobcats advance into the offensive zone. Evans shields his man off the puck. Stukel forces it free. Now Kressel's got it. Cross ice feed, settle down. Patilla drops it. Williams! Stick save made by Solomon. And it's out of play. Stepping in. Evans moves to that far side. Fonda unable to win the draw. Bobcats force it free. Kressel, top left wing circle. Turnaround shot through traffic. Save Solomon as he kicked it away. Off the boards. Stukel. Big hit by Patilla. Hello. As puck is forced back into the Bobcat zone. Moving through center. Charlie Kressel into the zone. Stops at the half wall. DeVita, spinorama. To the right side, wrist shot blocked by Paddington, and now he's got a lane to the empty net. It's a 2-on-1. Paddington! Oh, wow, good defensive play there by Patilla. Forced it free. Bobcats still got it. Here they come up the ice. Bros into the zone, 3-on-2. Pass off a skate. Back out to the line, Revenig. Turnaround shot. Bros knocked it out of midair, but not toward the net. 1 minute to play, turnaround shot. Bros wide. Up high, Revenig. Kressel, blocked. Bobcats still with possession. Wrist shot, Revenig up high. That hits Solomon. Puck bouncing in the middle. Kressel a drive off the side of the net. Cooper Williams turns it over. Klein toward the empty net. Puck will roll in front. No, they kept it out. Bobcats kept it out, and a penalty upcoming on the Cats. That'll do it. Is it up yet? I just want to make sure it's up. Not up yet, so gonna wait for it to populate.